guys, welcome to Cook with Quasi. First off, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you right now, I do not feel comfortable at all, but I will get used to it. I know that I will. And I'm still kind of like fidgeting, moving around, and all the other stuff because I'm new to this, and it's okay. And yeah, I just feel so weird. You probably gonna hear me say that like 1,000 times, or like I don't know what I'm doing, but it's okay. So, anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna make it, but I'm gonna show you how to make turkey salad. I think that's what you call it, whatever. It's pretty much like making tuna, but with turkey, that I do just smidge different, like just a little subtle difference. I think, I don't know how everybody makes it, so I'm just gonna show you how I make it, and maybe you can try it and you might like it. Okay? So, yeah, let's just go ahead and just get to the video because this is just awkward. The thing you want to do is get a bowl that you're going to be mixing your turkey salad in, or making your turkey salad in, because you need room to mix so that nothing doesn't fall out. Okay, and then you're gonna need to go ahead and chop up like your turkey. I got a fairly nice sized bowl and just pretty much filled it up. And then I went ahead and chopped my onions, and then of course I got the rest of the stuff that I'm going to need. I want to say that you probably want to go ahead and just like chop everything up instead of like doing everything at doing each thing like one at a time, because then it's just gonna take you a little longer. Or if it doesn't take you longer, at least it's gonna be easier if you go ahead and just prepare it. Also, you guys, I want to just go ahead and let you know that I do use Miracle Whip and mayonnaise. I know some of you might think that they taste the same, but they do not. Get the mayonnaise, get the Miracle Whip, and taste both of them. They taste completely different. But I use mayonnaise and Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip is more on the sweet side, and mayonnaise is not. But they have two different tastes, but I've mixed both of them in there. So, yeah, just want to let you guys know that. So there you go, guys. That is how I make my turkey salad, and I will see you in the next one. That's all for now. Bye.